What's up, guys? What we see here is a Bajaj Regal Gold ceiling fan, 40-inch in ivory with brass accent. And I am featured with Brian Fan 17 and Brandon E. Johnson.
Hello.
And all three of us are going to test this fan. I got this fan from Jean, or also known as Levant Snatos, Quebec, in trade for one of the 4-blade naders, which is seen here.
Oh yeah, right there. That one's painted brown.
This fan's from 2018. Like, take a, oh yeah, this is a good. Can't really see that.
Oh, yes. Stickers.
That sticker's like, oh, maybe I can lift you. There we go. No, not right here.
What's the sticker? If my camera can focus.
Doesn't say the date anywhere, but it's.
What's the silver
2019.
sticker? It's not. Oh, I wish my camera would focus on it.
I'm gonna.
Oh, come on, Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, what's the other sticker on the other side there?
Just the information.
Let me see here.
Pause if you want to read it.
Let me see it.
Yeah, I can't really move out of here.
Come on, let's focus. Yeah, my camera can't really focus. Yeah, that's what it says. It says,
Bajaj.
So, hey
Yeah.
guys, I haven't really spoken much in this
Yeah.
video, so...
yeah, and, oh yes, it says it right on the top of the canopy, on the upper canopy.
Here.
So
Wait,
what
what does it say on the other side?
Same thing.
Oh, it says it on both sides.
Yeah.
Oh.
So what is up? Brian Fan 17 here, and we didn't get to test a lot of fans during my time here with Alex, but this is the final day, and we're going to get to test a couple fans, and this is one of them he got from John, actually, just yesterday. And he traded it for one of his naders, as he explained. It's pretty... I mean, Indian fans are pretty cool, I have to say.
It's from 2018.
It's kind of a newer fan, but it's got some brass on it. It's kind of like an older design. The fan is very lightweight.
Yeah, it is. The fan barely weighs anything. So without further ado, let's go all the way to level. For the purpose of
And it's
testing,
on a 4-speed
I use them
control.
on a 4-speed Westinghouse control. I think it's rated for 1.5 amps. Yeah, the fan is a bit fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing.
Hey, there's the wall control up there.
You can see the blades are tilted upward.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
They don't go straight across.
Hey, already kind of went up to speed.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the slowest speed on that control. It still goes pretty fast, as you guys can.
The blades are aluminum, so that's why it kind of goes fast. I'll turn off the treehouse fan. Alright, let's go to medium low. Yeah, the fan is not wobbly at all. I kind of fixed the blades. So when this fan is it's like rated for 230 volts, 50 hertz, but now it's running on 120 volts. So the high speed is not really high speed. It's got like half of its power. We don't really talk that much on video, but.
So like Alex said, he got it from John. He actually came over. You said he came over yesterday.
He came over yesterday.
Yeah, he came over yesterday to visit.
I met him for the first
Yeah.
time.
I met him for the second time. We met for the first time in person in May 2019 when he visited Toronto.
I met him twice in November of 2021. Alright, here's the medium high.
already starting to feel some air from it.
It does move good air though.
Yeah, it's not a bad air mover for being kind of a newer fan.
Yeah, there we
But
go.
a foreign fan.
It's my second 48-inch metal blade fan. My first one is the Four Seasons up there. Let's go medium, too high. That's the little startup sound. This thing is very quiet.
Yeah, you can also hook it up to more volts of electricity,
Yeah.
and it will go a lot faster.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's only running 120 volts, like I said.
But it's what's the volt that
230
Sean
volts.
tested on 230?
That's the volts that are rated for that fan.
Yes. So if you put it on 230 volts, it like goes about twice this fast.
Then this.
Like it absolutely races.
Yeah, this fan moves a lot of air.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Right. And it's my first Indian fan, as you can see.
Yep. Yep. His first Indian fan.
Yeah, the canopies are plastic, by the way. If you're
Oh yeah, we forgot to tap them like we would. Yeah, we'll do that after spin down.
I don't usually do that.
No.
I don't need to.
Yeah.
John often
yeah,
does,
Jean
and
does.
Sometimes Alex does as well.
This fan is lightweighted.
It doesn't weigh that much. Alright, spin down has been complete.
Yeah, spin
Hope
down
you guys
complete.
enjoyed this video.
Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.
What brand